Marc Veasey, a Democrat from Texas who co-chairs the Access to the Jobs Task Force. We're going to be talking about that jobs proposal in just a minute, but first to Bernie Sanders and Singlepayer. Is the country ready for that?
Oh, I think that the country is ready for that. I mean, look, I want to let you know I represent one of the most areas in the country that's very prosperous. Dallas-Fort Worth is doing very well. We have lots of jobs, so many people that are moving to the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. But the district that I represent, the actual confines of the district that I represent, I have the highest uninsured rate out of any congressional district in the country. About over a third of the constituents that I represent don't have insurance. And so there are a lot of people out there that are hurting in places where you think that they're not. And I think that they would very much welcome a chance to have a single-payer system, some sort of program that would allow people to pay into a Medicare for all type plan that would allow them to have affordable insurance. I think it's long overdue, and I think the American public wants it.
But government-run health care, that's essentially what you're talking about, right?
Oh, no, I'm not talking about government-ran health care at all. I'm talking about people having the opportunity, the same way how they do similar with Medicare, to where they pay into a system that's affordable and the rates are down. As you know, insurance rates have been escalating and going up for a long time now. They've been going up before the implementation of the Affordable Care Act. As a matter of fact, a lot of people will tell you that that insurance rates would be even higher today were it not for the Affordable Care Act. And by, again, implementing some sort of a system where people will be able to pay into a Medicare for all. And Medicare, as you know, is a very popular program with so many people around the country, including viewers on Fox News. And so let's give everybody a chance to pay into something like that can bring the rates down, because at the end of the day, that's what's going to help bring the uninsured rate down.
But how do you bring the rates down without competition? Because there wouldn't be competition for this kind of program, would there?
Well, no, you know, there are lots of different programs and plans that are out there that would supplement a Medicare for all type plan. I know that a lot of people have advocated for people being able to buy supplemental plans that would complement their Medicare for all type plans. And so I think that there's a way out there and that there's a way to make sure that we have a good, robust, first-class system like we have now. But we need to start sitting down and talking about this and moving forward. I don't think the American public can wait any longer. Healthcare costs are just way, way too high.
So some of your House Democrats, and I think you're joining them in making a move today, trying to regain your majority in the midterm elections next year. Those Democrats are launching a unified effort to create an economic and jobs package for the entire caucus. It's the Economy and Jobs Package, I think you're calling it. What's
That's right. Jobs for America. That's absolutely right. Democrats, we're going to be working over the next several months to unveil a package dealing directly with jobs sometime in December or January. That's going to deal with some of the things that are out there in the workplace. You have an ever-changing workforce, as you know. People are more and more interested in vocational school and technical schools, and so we're going to be examining that. This is going to be a very meat and potato type plan that's going to be very easy to understand, very tangible for the American public to really understand that Democrats, that we're putting jobs first in our agenda. And we think that people are going to like what we have to say. There are so many changes that are happening out there with automation, with new skills that people need to acquire, trying to make gaining license more easy for a lot of people that are trying to improve their situation in life. And Democrats, we're going to be talking about all of these different things. It's going to take us some time to put this package together over the next few months, but I think that when we unveil it, again, I think it's going to be easy to understand, very meat and potatoes, and I think that the American public is going to like it.
You talk about an emphasis on tech and vocational schools. The guy who almost won your nomination, Bernie Sanders, was talking about free college for all. Are you saying you'd like to see more people enrolling in tech and voc schools?
We would like to see people have more opportunities. As you know, of course we want to make college more affordable for everyone. We want people that want to go to college to be able to afford, to be able to have college be more affordable. But also we want to be able to reach people that want to be able to do other jobs. I mean, we have manufacturing jobs in this country, about 500,000 or so, that we've been unable to fill. And we think that there are people that are out there that have that expertise, that have a high school diploma, and they just need the technical skills and in hand to be able to get those really good paying jobs.
Congressman,
and so we want to open up access to those jobs, and we think that we're going to do it in this plan.
College isn't suited for everyone. Congressman Marc Veasey from Texas, we appreciate your coming on. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.